Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll explain how you can create a photo collage with Canva app. See, using the Canva app, you can create or make photo collage of your required selected pictures. So this is common for Android and iPhone also, because if you install Canva app in any phone, this is the process very similar. So first of all, you need to open the Canva application on your mobile. Yeah. So yeah, this is the home page of the Canva app, and on the search you can just search as collage to get different themes. Okay, just search here, and out of all the collections, see here, this is pro and this is for free. So you can choose for the free items or the pro items you need to purchase. So for this example, maybe I'll be selecting this one. So there are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 9 pictures you can select from your gallery, and you can create a photo collage and also download. I'll show you the entire process, and I'll also show you where does this gets downloaded to your mobile. Okay, first of all, select any frame, any single frame. Once you select any single frame, at the bottom you will see something like replace. Here click on replace. Don't worry, you no need to replace each and every picture one by one, but you can replace all the pictures at a single time. So click on the gallery here at the bottom. Once you click on the gallery, and this is my gallery, for example, just select one picture. Once you select one picture, sorry, I need to choose this replace multiple. Once I click on replace multiple, then I can select multiple pictures. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, maybe 9. Yeah, once you are done with 9 selected pictures, here you will see the selected pictures count 9 by 9 selected. Click on the done here, and once you are done with this, see here, I already created a photo collage here. So if you are done with the changes, last step here is to download this picture to your gallery. So click on this upload picture at the top right, see here, and you'll get this download option at the bottom, and the PNG is okay for me, so I'm just clicking on download. So it takes just 10 seconds to 30 seconds for this image to get downloaded. The downloaded image will be in quality. So the image has been downloaded. The photo collage what we just made is already downloaded to your phone. So I'll be opening Google Files on my phone, as this is the file manager on my phone, and see here Canva, and this is the photo what I have just created. So I can share it to WhatsApp using this share, or whatever I can do it from now on. So this is how you can create or make photo collage on your phone using Canva app. This works both on Android mobile and also on iPhone. So if you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like for this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.